WCHL News Time is 8:38. I'm Rod Sutz, and we have some special guests in the studio this morning. And first of all, Fred Black is here. Fred, you hear Fred's voice a lot on WCHL. How's it going?
Good morning, Ron. How are you?
Good to see you. And Sylvia Black, the real power behind Fred Black, is here as well.
Good morning, Ron.
I don't get a chance to see you as often. But first, before we go any further, let me just congratulate the two of you on your recent award as the Citizens of the Year in the Chapel Hill Cabarrua community. Well-deserved honor.
Well, thank you very much.
You both do such great work in the community. And this kind of exemplifies it right here. There is a very special house being built. Katie Thompson is here, Associate Director of Development for Habitat for Humanity. And Katie, thank you for coming today.
Thank you, Ron.
We also have Marty Smith here, who is going to live in this house that we're talking about. And Katie, how does this work, and how are Fred and Sylvia involved in this?
Well, this was a big surprise for Fred and Sylvia. Some friends came to us and wanted to do something in honor of their upcoming, but not yet here, 70th birthdays and 50th wedding anniversary. And so we hatched this idea to build a Habitat house in their name and their honor for all they've done for this community and the organization over the years. So the plan got started, and we kept it a surprise for almost a year.
My question is, how in the world do you keep it a surprise from them, because they know everything that's going on here?
That's a question we ask ourselves all the time.
Fred and Sylvia, I know this was really exciting, and I saw some. I was not there for the official ceremony, but I saw some pictures of you guys. You had these great big smiles on your face. I know you were really proud of this.
Yes, and particularly our children were involved in this, and that just made it such a special thing.
Yeah.
And our children came down for the event, and we didn't know they were in town. So,
oh man, that was another part of
They
this
came
surprise.
out from behind the sign when the cover was taken off, so that was really a shock.
Well, Fred and Sylvia, I want to give you the honor of introducing the young man who is going to live in that house.
we are very pleased that we are building the house for Marty Smith, Marty and his daughter and his son. Mm-hmm. Marty is an employee of Viatri, and he has a 19-year-old son who is a college sophomore studying accounting, and a 12-year-old daughter.
Well, Marty, congratulations, buddy, and this is a wonderful program, and I know that you are going to be very, very happy to be there, and it's a special honor for you, too.
Yes, thank you, Ron. I'm so glad to be here, and I'd like to give my appreciation to Ron and Sylvia for being my sponsors, as well as Habitat for being there and the work that they do in the community.
Well, I know that Habitat for Humanity, the whole concept of it is based on sweat equity as well, and you had to work awfully hard to make this happen, too. Tell us about what you did in actually constructing this house.
Well, I've been in construction quite a few years, so it was sort of like an easy transition for me, but I've got in about like 192 hours now, and I have several more to go.
What does it mean to you to be able to have this house for you and your son and your daughter?
Well, this is truly a blessing. It's, I'm 52 years old. I've worked hard in my life, and to have something for me and my family, that's really what's a blessing to me.
Yeah, and I know that when you get a chance to hang out with people like Fred and Sylvia, that's kind of a fun thing. It's kind of a side venture that is a bonus to the whole thing.
Yes, it has been.
And Ron, there's a special bond between people that swing hammers together.
Yeah, that's for sure. Not to mention using a saw.
Yeah. And Marty will do 325 sweat equity hours.
Wow.
As part of his commitment to buying this house.
That is really something. And they always say that something is really special if you've been involved in creating it. And I know that this is going to mean an extra amount to you since you worked so hard to make it all happen yourself. What about your son and your daughter? What have they said about this?
Well, it's been exciting. My 12-year-old daughter, she wanted to take the master bedroom, but she's doing so well in school. I granted her that.
Really?
I guess with our kids now, if they do well, you give them what they need in life.
Absolutely, man. It's all about the kids. That's for sure. Katie, if somebody else would like to help Habitat for Humanity by volunteering or by contributing or getting involved in some way, how do they go about doing that?
The best way to do that is to visit our website, and that's www.orangehabitat.org. And from there, you can see how to sign up. So you can actually pick up a hammer, and maybe we'll get Fred and Sylvia out there and Marty alongside you. Or most importantly, these days, we're looking for donations to help fund the building materials for the house, too.
Mm-hmm. Well, let me just say that there's an old song by Mickey and Sylvia called Love is Strange. You remember that?
Yes, I do.
Well, in Fred and Sylvia's case, love is not so strange. They've been together a long time. They've done a lot of important things, and I would imagine this probably ranks right up there with some of the most important and gratifying things that you've ever done.
Well, you're right, Ron. Barry Saunders quoted me in his story as saying if there was anything I wanted to see my name on, it would be something like this, and to have your name associated with a Habitat house is a high honor.
Well, if Barry Saunders said it, it must be true.
There you go.
Hey, listen, thank you for coming in, and especially you, Marty. Thanks for coming in this morning and being with us and telling us about this. And I know it means a lot to you, and it means a lot to me to be able to tell everybody out there in the community what happened.
Thank you for having me. I certainly appreciate it.
All right. Katie.
Thank you, Ron.
Yeah, Sylvia, always good to see you. And Katie, good to see you again, too.
Thanks, Ron.
And
Fred-
thanks to WCHL for all you do in the community.
I appreciate that.